Ever used from module import star and accidentally pulled in names you never intended? There is a clean fix for that. Python lets you define a special variable called dunderall, spelled ALL, with double underscores on each side. Assign a list of names to it in your module, and Python uses that list to filter wildcard imports. Only names you include will appear in the caller's namespace when they write from your module import star. Everything else is excluded, giving you precise control over your module's public interface. Dunderall is simply a list of strings, where each string is the exact name of a function, class, or variable you want to expose publicly. Compare that to a module without dunderall. There, Python defaults to exporting every name that doesn't start with an underscore. That sounds harmless, but it can accidentally expose helper functions, imported dependencies, or internal utilities that were never meant to be part of your external API. Beyond import filtering, dunderall serves as living documentation, a clear contract declaring which names are officially part of your module's public API. One important caveat though, dunderall only restricts wildcard imports. It does not block direct imports. Anyone can still write from your module imports and private function, and Python will comply. Dunderall just keeps it out of the star import. In short, dunderall is your module's public API declaration, and it controls exactly what wildcard imports bring in. Subscribe for more Python interview prep. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.